Welcome guys, welcome to a new vlog. So today I'm here at the world's tallest and the biggest eco-friendly 72 feet Durga Mata, which is located at Chadar Ghat near Koti in Victory Parade Ground. So every year this tallest idol used to get the victory prize, and you can see that it has been organized by the founder and the organizer Gulab Sri Nagwas, and it's the biggest and tallest 72 feet Durga Mata, which is located at Chadar Ghat just near Koti. And you can see they used to win every year prizes, and their name is also recorded in the high range books of world record 2014, 2019, 21, 22, 23, 24, and this year 25. So you can see the crowd around the Navratri in Hyderabad, and people are here just to see the tallest and the biggest Mata Durga in Hyderabad. So I've shown yesterday Utsav Cultural Association Durga Puja, and today I'm showing you the tallest and the biggest Durga Mata idol in Hyderabad, which is located at Chadar Ghat, Koti in Hyderabad. And it's one of the tallest and registered its name in Book of World Record for the tallest idol in India, not in India, even in world.
जो 4 तारीख के दिन अंदर नातो बांटे ఒకసారి గట్టిగా माता की जय श्री राम बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सभी भक्तों का दरबार में पधारे। श्री नवदुर्गा नवरात्रि उत्सव समिति द्वारा ये 25-26वां साल है। लास्ट ईयर हम 25 ईयर कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। आज 26वां साल है। सभी भक्तों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, जो पधारे, जो दूर दूर से आए उनका भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, जो हमारे दरबार में पधारे।
So this is the 26th year they are celebrating. They have started since 2000, and you can see the Navratri starts celebration from 22nd of September to 4th of October.
सारी का टोकन
And darshanam timings are from morning 6 a.m. to night 12 a.m. So they are going to organize a Mahashobha Yatra, that is on 4th of October, which is when the Mata
so ఎవరైనా ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఉంటే
immerse the idol.
మీరు సారీ టోకన్
You can see
దర్బార్
the crowd all around,
తీసుకోవచ్చు।
a huge crowd in the queue
भाई साहब
just to have the
ముందు నిలబడిన బాయ్స్ ప్లీజ్
darshan of the tallest and the biggest idol of Mata Durga in Hyderabad. So one of the world's tallest, they claim, and their name is also registered in the books. 72 feet Durga Mata idol, the tallest in India, the tallest in world. And you can see it's a victory parade ground, and people are just gathering here to have the darshan. You can see the long queue of the people standing just to have the darshan of Mata Durga. So beautiful to see the eco-friendly idol.
नवदुर्गा सभी टीम की ओर से, ऑर्गेनाइजर से गुलाब श्रीनिवास जी,
Gulab Sri
भाई रानीगंज से उनके फैमिली के साथ एक सारी टोकन परचेज करते हुए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद पूरे
They
परिवार
are
को।
just announcing for
माता रानी
having
का
a sari
आशीर्वाद आप पे बना रहे।
token. For that they have the lucky draw will be shown on 4th of October. So it's a beautiful, and if you are nearby Hyderabad, you
परिवार
should
को
come to
बहुत
this
बहुत
place,
धन्यवाद।
because you can see the 72nd fit, and they are celebrating 26th year in Hyderabad. And the beauty of the
थोड़ा
site.
ऐसा इधर आ जाओ और
What a award-winning idol from many years this is winning the award, and this year also they are claiming the tallest. So last year they have built around 69 feet tallest idol, and this year they have again moved to around 72 feet, which is the world's tallest. Till I've seen the tallest idols of Mata Durga. It's located in Victory Ground, and you can see the crowd. People are coming at Chadar Ghat, Koti, and it's a bit far away, not too much, but almost around 15 kilometers from the city. But so many people gathered in Navaratri, and whole night they used to have the darshans of different pandals. And this is the one of the must visit pandal if you are in Hyderabad, because the tallest idol, we rarely see this biggest tallest idol. This is definitely a must visit, and see the people all around, see the people, the crowd all around. And they, every evening they have some aarti and different rituals which they used to follow, and on 4th of October it is there, so you can come anytime whenever you have a moment. But this is definitely a must visit place if you are nearby this place, because it's rarely seen the tallest idols. We see the eco-friendly idols, the eco-friendly colors they use for making the idols, and they are going to immerse this idol with the Mahashobha Yatra on 4th of October, and they are going to take the yatra from Victory Parade Ground. So many different programs will be happening at that time. You can see the crowd, the nearby crowd, and still the people are gathering just to have the darshan on Navratri. And today is the 6th day of Navratri, Sasti, and you can see. So with this I have covered the tallest and the biggest idol of Mata Durga at Victory Parade Ground, which is at Chadar Ghat. So with this talk I have shown the world's tallest and the biggest world's Mata, which is located at Chadar Ghat near Koti, and you can see how beautiful the idol is, how beautiful the Mata looks at Navratri, and people are gathered, so many people are coming all around, and this is the world's tallest and the biggest idol of Mata Durga. And if you are nearby Hyderabad, you should definitely come to this place, and it's one of the must visit place in Hyderabad, Koti near Chadar Ghat. And you can see the crowd all around, the queue. You can see how many people are just gathered there to have the darshan of Mata. So definitely with this I am closing my vlog here itself. We'll meet in a new video with a new content. Bye bye for now. Keep watching, keep liking, and keep subscribing. Be healthy. Happy Navratri to all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Mata Di.